In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress with Elementor. Whether you're revamping an existing website or building something new from scratch, Elementor can make the design process both intuitive and enjoyable. So, let's dive right in and see how you can master this fantastic tool. First things first, make sure you've got WordPress installed on your hosting service, and Elementor is ready to go as one of your plugins. If that's all set, let's move on to the next step, choosing a theme that is compatible with Elementor. Many themes work well, but I recommend Astra, Ocean WP, or GeneratePress for their flexibility and ease of use. To switch themes, navigate to Appearance on your WordPress dashboard, click Themes, and add a new theme from the directory. Select your theme and activate it. With your theme ready, the time has come to start designing with Elementor. Head over to your WordPress dashboard again and create a new page by clicking on Pages, then Add New. It's essential to ensure that the page template is set to Elementor full width to make the most of its features. Now, click the Edit with Elementor button to open the Elementor Page Builder interface. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to orient yourself. On the left, you'll see a panel with all sorts of tools, widgets, and elements you can drag over to your page. To get started, think about the structure of your page. Elementor uses sections, columns, and widgets to arrange content. Start by adding a new section to your page, then choose a layout structure with the designated number of columns. Drag and drop widgets into these columns to begin populating your page. Notice there's a wide variety of widgets available. You'll likely use basic elements like a heading or text editor and, depending on your needs, more advanced widgets like a video player or image carousel. Just click on any widget to customize it, and you'll see the settings you can tinker with on the left panel. It's essential also to understand the styling capabilities Elementor offers, so explore these options. For instance, you can change colors, fonts, margins, and padding with just a few clicks. Experiment with these to make your page visually consistent with your brand. Remember, a polished site isn't just about capturing attention, it's about guiding your visitors' experience. So, take advantage of Elementor's features for adding navigation elements or calls to action. Regularly preview your design in different modes to ensure your site looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Once you're satisfied with your page, click the green Publish button on the bottom left menu to make your design live. Don't forget to keep your work backed up, and consider installing plugins that enhance Elementor's functionality if you have specific needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to creating beautiful, functional websites using WordPress and Elementor. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different elements to see what works best for your unique project.